the Vizcacha. These members of the chinchilla family are hardy mountain specialists. Way up here, sunbathing is more lifesaver than luxury, raising their body temperatures after the chill of night. But snoozing in the sun can be a perilous pastime. On the prowl, an Andean cat. These intimate images are the first ever filmed of South America's rarest feline species, numbering 1,000 or less, twice the size of his domestic cousins. He's protected from bitter cold by dense fur, over 1.5 inches long. But a cat still needs fresh meat for fuel. Even when dozing, those 2.5-inch ears are tuned in to signs of trouble. He knows he'll get another chance in over 30 square miles of territory. But as global temperatures rise with climate change, his cold mountain habitat is shrinking. And this unique cat, so perfectly adapted, would overheat in warmer conditions. But for now, the Andean cat continues to enjoy its top-of-the-world life.